Pollo AI just took the best AI video model in the world, Seedance 2.0, and gave us a way to make dozens of product videos without a single prompt. Today I'm breaking down Pollo's new marketing studio, what I like about it, what I dislike about it, and most importantly, how it compares to their chief rival, Higgsfield. Let me tell you, this one's close. Pollo is sponsoring this video and they want my honest opinion as much as you, so I'm not gonna hold anything back. So on that note, let's start with the first huge challenge for Pollo, which is novelty. AI marketing studios are nothing new, so for this to compete, it really needs to have some real advantage to it. Let me explain. A wrapper tool like the marketing studio basically consists of three elements: the video model used for animation, virtual avatars to display your product, and a user interface that makes prompting easy so that you can spend more time coming up with ideas and iterating creatives and less time prompt engineering. When all of these things come together, you can create AI ads in a matter of seconds by just uploading an image of your product, selecting an avatar and video style, and hitting generate. Now both Pollo and Higgsfield use Seedance 2.0 as their main video gen model, which means that if you put the exact same prompt into both tools, you'll get almost exactly the same results.
Okay, this sounds completely made up, but this protein shake literally tastes like the milk left over after a bowl of fruity cereal. No, seriously. Not kind of. It's weirdly accurate. 30 grams of protein, ready to drink, and somehow it tastes like childhood. Peak fuel, fruity cereal crunch. This one's definitely staying in my fridge.
So the difference comes down to workflow, and my first question is, who has better avatars? Both sites give you the ability to create your own avatar with AI, or upload one that you've already got, which can be a previous AI generation, or even an image of a real actor. On top of that, they both have a library of public avatars to choose from, and this is where I started to find a real difference between the two sites. Higgs has just north of 40 avatars, and Pollo is over 100. The aesthetics of the two libraries are noticeably different too. Higgsfield goes for a more unique or striking look for almost all of their characters. I mean, look at this. I think that's a reason that most people don't actually use these, because they look cool, but they just don't feel real. Most of Pollo's avatars are much more grounded in appearance. At least to me, these are way less likely to make me go, ew, that's AI, and swipe away. There are definitely varying qualities of these avatars though. I find the best ones live under the UGC Ads avatar tab, and if you go outside of that, then you can get some weirder, more outdated ones. So for avatar selection based on pure quantity and the style of the avatars, I gotta give the crown to Pollo here. The rest of the UI is almost exactly the same between the two sites. When making a video, you can change the aspect ratio, video duration, and resolution, but on Pollo, you can also generate up to 4 outputs at once. You're limited to just one on Higgsfield. The last core settings on the marketing studios are the video format selectors. With these, you can choose from a number of different popular ad formats like UGC try-on, unboxing, or a stylized money shot animation. These take a predefined style and simply apply it to your product and prompt, which can be super powerful. Like I can just upload my product image to the studio and select money shot and get something that's completely usable without typing a single prompt character. Pollo has a couple of extra options here, like problem and solution and before and after, which both work well. The video that you're watching now came from the before and after format. Having those extras is nice, but it's not entirely a game changer. What is super impactful though is this next feature that I'm about to show you. Higgsfield has about 24 preset examples that you can choose from to inspire your next AI ad. Some of these have fully written out prompts, and others are literally just the product and the format. But it can be useful to have these because you can adapt the proven template to your actual product. Where Higgsfield gives you 24 options for this, Pollo has over 200, with at least 20 template options for each format category. So no matter what your product is, they probably have a template that can be modified to create an ad for it. For example, I mocked up a gourmet cat food, and Pollo has a template for a dog food commercial. It's close enough. I'll copy their prompt and then ask ChatGPT to convert it to match my cat food brand. Paste that result back into Pollo and then change out the product image and hit generate.
The best meals begin with ingredients you can recognize. Slow-cooked salmon and garden herbs, crafted for cats who deserve something extraordinary. Real salmon first, Balance Nutrition, because great nutrition does more than satisfy hunger. It helps them thrive. Gourmet nutrition inspired by nature.
These templates are not strictly necessary to use the tool, but they can be a huge help if you're not sure where to start. And where every other working element of Pollo and Higgsfield's marketing studios are neck and neck, having over 200 of these to choose from on Pollo is enough to give it the edge and the win here as well. But Joe, what about all of those other features on Higgsfield and Pollo that you're not not mentioning. Let me address those because there are some other things that I need to consider before crowning a winner here. There's kind of two trains of thought and strategy when it comes to AI tool innovation. Ship it as quickly as possible to stay ahead, even if it's not ready, or release something that's polished but maybe miss the boat. I think with Pollo and Higgs, we kind of have the two ends of the spectrum here. Higgsfield has added a feature now on their marketing studio called hooks, which gives another kind of format template designed to apply proven short video hooks to your ad. The problem is, when I tested out this feature, it was super hit or miss. Pollo might not have that tool available, but at least I won't try to use it and then have it eat my credits for a bad result. Pollo also has an agent built into their marketing studio, which can help you brainstorm AI ads based on real examples, which is really cool. But this agent doesn't seem to be connected to the Seedance model and the rest of the marketing studio at all yet, so its real use capabilities are pretty limited. Higgsfield, on the other hand, just launched Supercomputer, which is a very powerful agent assistant that can help with ad creation, but it burns through credits with every message that you send it, which quickly becomes very cost prohibitive. Also, quick note, I don't know how I missed filming this before, but I tried the product link to ad feature on both of these sites, and honestly, I haven't had good success with either of them. It's just both of them just don't really work. And that's the full rundown of Pollo's AI marketing studio versus Higgsfield. Personally, I think that Pollo takes the crown here, but let me know if you agree or disagree down in the comments. If you want to try Pollo out, I'll have a link down below, and if you want to see what I think of other AI tools, you should check out this video up over here. I think you'll like it. It's going to be right up your alley.